Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the round number 3 of this stream's programming workout. Programming workouts is a period of time where I try to improve myself in the art of programming. I split it into 2 intervals. I do 5 minutes typing exercise, and then 30 minutes I create an application. I go through tutorials. I learn. I do programming. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. Start a timer. $6:37. You wouldn't believe it, but that is the best this stream. So let's try to squeeze in another one. Oh, this is long. Oh, it's well. Hey, blah. How are you? And welcome Black. Are you tired? How come? I thought you are based in the US. You're, are you? I don't know. Ah, I see. Hard day at work, huh? You want to talk about it? Oh, that's the worst. The context switching is pretty bad. May I ask why you are working at... I mean, that was your idea and suddenly... Oh, release. You know, I'm noob, but I'm thinking that if you have to... Well, is it usual that you have like this amount of work, or is it like occasional thing? Ah, okay, so it's good. Because some places they have it all the time, and in my opinion, that kind of shows for bad planning. How long do you have to release cycles, if I may ask? Oh, wow. Oh, great. I was thinking like, oh, poor dude, he has to do it like every other week. And it's like a year. Well, yeah, that's good. 331. That's really good. You know, like look like how horrible is my for the last 3 days. I did a lot of mistakes. So I'll stop this timer. Actually goes out to customers is stuff I worked on several months ago. Feature release. What other releases do you have, like bug fix release? So that concludes our typing session, and now we will will go to learn some of this. Oh, I see. I see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Untested until it's pretty. Yeah, this makes sense. What kind of software is it? It's been, yes, I did. Okay, so I will start the timer. Operating system and hypervisor. Okay, so I don't know what the hypervisor is. Okay. What kind of operating system? You're developing operating system? That's awesome. Embedded OS. Okay. Virtual machine monitor. Creates and runs virtual machines. Ah, okay. Looks at the properties of the beans on which author are set to by name. Then it tries to match environment properties with the beans defined by the same names in the configuration file. So bean name. Data type. If more than one such bean exists, fatal exception is thrown. First trying auto by constructor. If not, then by type. Okay. Mm-hmm. and classes. Possible prefer explicit wiring, okay. What about like some examples? Okay, so it's here by name. Okay, I see. Okay, we will do that. We will do that. Project, Spring, yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Go back. Yes. Yep. This. So what do we have here? I will not create that again. Oh, this is something I wanted to save. That's the return. Oh, fuck, it's more. Okay. Now the beads. Here is where the magic happens. so this is the normal. Here we have the setter injection. And here we have name, value is that, and then spell checker. What just happened? Oh, yes, I know. Copy, pasting. Why is this red? Editor. So, and this one is also wrong. Okay, so that should be working. No, maybe editor font could be bigger. 14 ply. Okay. Just tiny bit. Okay, so that kind of works, but why does it work? So if we go to the text editor, it has a thing which is called spell checker, right? And we are varying by name. So what if I rename this to something else? Let's say spell checker different name. Enter. Yes. And let's say we'll try to run it again. Will it break? Yes. It does. So it's by the name of the field. So it knows that this one needs another field. The text editor. And that is this guy. It set up all of those. Probably does. So it treats every field like it shouldn't be null. How would I confirm that? What would happen if that would be not true? So let's say I do private spell checker, sp2, like so, and he also have a setter for that, right? No, he had sets boots, yeah, so he does have a setter and getter. So if I run it without a setter and getter, will it run? It will. So what if I have the getter and setter for that? I'll run it again. It runs. Okay, cool. Now this is fucked up. Okay. Why is it? It is because we don't have another bean. So the name is the name of the bean. Sp2. Tutorials point, autowire by name, spell checker, like that. Now if I run it, it should work. Okay. So that was that. What about... Hold on. What the fuck? Where did we land it? Why the next page is spring index? Huh? Previous page is spring index 2. So this is fucked up. This is broken. So by type. So create another project, do this bullshit, and then the difference will be in here. So by type. Can I basically just duplicate in IntelliJ? Let's say I do new project. Can I duplicate? Arma add-on mission, huh? Micronaut. Maybe duplicate project. No. Okay. So we create a new. Next. Type windows. Yes, this window, please. Exit it. Spell checker. Then what was the other thing? Main app. Then the configuration. That just reminded me that I'm downloading. Hold on. What? What am I doing? What am I doing? No, didn't. Too stupid. Sorry. Try again later. Yeah, I didn't get it. I'm sorry. I kind of saw it. That's probably a joke, but too bad, man. Too bad. Streamlabs. So where's my details? You details. What the fuck? That's not details. Like where's like what the you like where are the details? Like what title contributing artist? I don't care about that. Where's like how much the fuck? home view. Oh, here is the size. So ambient gigabyte. Okay, so that's good. That one downloaded well. Okay. Okay. Bullshit. It is bullshit. Or yeah. Synthwave, EDM, hip hop, holiday, lo-fi. Okay, so we'll try the second one. Download. EDM. Save. Yes. Yes, go for it. Oh, 4.8 gigabytes. All right. What's the politicians and Catholic priests' favorite script on the terminal? I don't know. What is it? So that they are trying to get rid of all of the evidence. That's that. Yeah, so this one works, right? Did I run it? I run it. And here the beans, it says by type. And they said if I will have a 2, it will fail, right? So I can go to text editor and I basically will do this. Right, configuring beans. So will this break? It still works. So now I will create getter and setter for the other bean. Go. It still works. So how do I break this? Autovar by type. I didn't even create it. Okay, so I didn't create the bean, right? So I will other class Content, tutorials, point, auto bar, spell checker. Okay, so this should break it. Yep, there we go. So I know how it works. That's good. Okay. So by type, constructor. I'll probably just look at it. This one opens. Next goes to Spring Index also. Okay, so you. So text editor has a constructor. Okay, I don't feel like programming this. It's kind of like you can see like how it works, right? Auto detect. It is not your example. Annotation based configuration. Okay. By using annotations on the relevant class. I kind of feel that just someone came who ordered at least 2 keyboards. I have a hunch. To the stream. How far am I? I'm here. I'm here. Oh, we have a little bit go through. Hey, Kernel. R? That's cool. Like from everywhere? Like even the heavy industries? Wow, lucky you. That's pretty cool. G heavy no. Oh well. What sort of keys do you like to use? Well. Oh fuck. I did, well, whatever. So I had to my disposition like few keyboards which I tried different types, and then I went for the Cherry MX Browns, which they are described as tactile. Some of the connoisseurs says that they are really linear, but I kind of like them. I did like them, but if I would go for Cherry MX style switch, I would go probably for Cherry MX Red Silent switch. Oh, you do. Oh, you have a lot of keyboards. Red spot heavier. Yeah, yeah. I know. I even have them here. Like, well, I have like few. Which one? The black ones or because there are no actuation point? Yeah. You know, like right now, I kind of like this keyboard that it has a like the 12 grams. It's pretty nice on it. It's like so much lighter, but that is good only if you intend to press multiple keys with one finger. If you don't do that, then it doesn't make sense, I guess. It depends, like if you have like some RSI, which kind of depends on then maybe, but otherwise. Back in 2010. Oh, so you are in the game for a long time. Yeah, they are. They will just hold, you know. They will perform. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice thing. And also the thing that if it breaks, you can exchange the switch, like individual switch, and just go with it further. But that's kind of like bad argument at the same time, because everyone who goes into mechanical keyboards, he doesn't have like none of his keyboards will stay with him for the longevity of the switch. A switch cap started breaking. Huh, interesting. You mean like the keycaps? Like the top part? I see. Yeah, keycaps. Yeah, but that's the thing. If you go with the mechanical, it's relatively easy to get replacement parts for that, which is nice. If you love your keyboard and you want to keep using it, you can. Yeah. You feel nostalgic now? Very nice. All right, sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. GTYL. That's something. Talk to you later. Okay. Talk to you later, Carnell. Is this the extra part? Oh, come on. Oh, there's like. There might be scheme allocation. I have two. There's a free beans. Yes, 4 beans, spring beans. There is a context spring. It might be around 5 minutes, which was left on the clock, so I'll start this one and that will conclude this 3J round. 3. Required setter. Autowired can apply to bean properties. Setter, non-setter methods. Non-setter methods? What is that? Setter methods, I understand. Constructor and properties. What the hell? Modifier. Pre-destroy. Okay, so I can destroy those. What is this? JavaFX. It's continuing the gift sub from SQL. What does it mean? Does it mean... Does it mean anything? Why is it here? Oh. Okay, so that's not that. I clicked something in here and that showed the... Oh, well, yeah, so I can show like...
Sorry to read about what happened to you last year. Keep your head up, and from what I have seen so far, everything will work out just fine for you.
That's interesting. You can reply some of the thing. So, oh, yeah, this was my first donation.
Why would he want to give me money? See you later.
No,
I'm
no,
gonna
no,
go to
no.
bed now.
That's I did get it like yesterday, and I did play it once again.
Money.
This is...
Why would he want to give me money? See you later. I'ma go to bed now.
I'm experimenting. No one gave me money now. It was like I just found out that you can replay the notification. There is this page which I have open, and there's
helicopters looking for him too.
You know, there are like what happened. You know, like Wolves hosted me. Follow. Here's the Here's the donation, and if I press this, it shows it again.
Sorry to read about what happened to you last year. Keep your head up, and from what I have seen so far, everything will work out just fine for you.
Sorry about the confusion. But I was like, what the hell is this? What does it mean? Like, why is it in here? Like, does it mean, kernel, that did you like prolong that? Or if so, why it doesn't? I'm confused. Well, anyway, this concludes this round.